Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to promote your TeePublic store on Instagram in 2025. We all know that Instagram is one of the best platforms for visual marketing, and if you are selling t-shirts, hoodies, stickers or any other designs on TeePublic, this is where your audience hangs out. So make sure that you stick around till the end of this video because I will be covering everything, like from preparing your TeePublic store to promote it to posting effectively on Instagram using the features like Reels, Stories for the maximum exposure. So if you don't have a TeePublic account yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, before we go to Instagram, you will need to make sure that your TeePublic store is ready to impress. So first of all, you need to come here on teepublic.com and then sign up for your free account. Your account should look something like this, where if you click on the option of account, you will be able to upload your art. So here you can edit your TeePublic store and you can also view your TeePublic store. So if you click here on the option of view your TeePublic store, it should look something like this. So this will be the name of your store. Over here you need to upload a logo. You can also add a banner here. You can edit your store. So first of all, you need to start with your storefront. So in order to design it properly, you can use Canva. So here, first of all, come here on canva.com, click on the option of templates and click on the option of logo. So over here, you will see a bunch of different logo designs. So you can choose any one of these. You can also use the free Canva version. So here, after selecting the logo, if you have any specific theme or layout in your mind, you can also use the elements here and search for it. So let's say I want to create my t-shirts around kittens. So here, if I search for the graphics or the photos section, you can add your elements over here on this page just like so. So here on the canvas, you can design the logo of your store. So this is what I want. So you can download it from here very easily. After that, you need to come here on Canva and in the template, you need to search for background. So if you search for background, you will find a bunch of different background templates. So you can select any one of these and add it here on your storefront. So as you can see, this is my image which I want to save. So it should look something like this. Now, in order to create your designs, you can also use Canva. So here, if you come on the home page, you can use the search bar and search for t-shirt. So if you search for t-shirt, it is going to show you a bunch of different t-shirts designs. So here you can click on any one of these and you can start customizing it very easily from here. You can also use their built-in designs. So these are some of the premium designs. But as I've told you earlier, you can also use Canva's free version. So let's say this is the design which you want on your t-shirt. So you can customize it if you want, or you can directly download it from here. After that, you need to upload it on your storefront. So click on the option of upload art. After that, select whether you want to upload single or multiple files. So we want to upload the single file. So you need to select the file and wait for it to upload. So once it is uploaded successfully, you can just take a look at your storefront and see how is it actually looking. So from here, you can get the TeePublic stores link, which you can basically add in your Instagram account. Now is the time for you to switch to the Instagram business account. So if you already have an Instagram account, but it is personal, you need to make sure that you first of all switch it to a professional account. As you can see, I already have a professional account. So here with the help of the professional account, you will be able to view the insights and the analytics. You will be able to track which posts are bringing you sale. It is also going to give you the ability to run advertisements in the future. and adding the links to your profile and your stories. So you need to make sure that you are using the Instagram's business account. Now, once it is done, you can write here something like unique t-shirts and merch. So in order to do it, simply click on the option of edit profile. Over here, give your profile a name. Then in the website, we will be adding our website. In the bio, you can add any of the bios of your choice. So you can add something like unique t-shirts and merch, shop now. Then click on the option of submit in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this way, anyone who checks your profile knows where they need to buy. Now is the time for you to post the high quality visuals. So Instagram is all about visuals. So your posts should also look and showcase your designs the best way possible. So here, if you come on your profile section and click on the option of the reels or the create option, you can upload your designs here, your mockups here, which should look realistic. As I've told you earlier, you can use Canva or any mockup generator in order to place your designs on the t-shirts and the hoodies. Make sure that you post a mix of content. Like, do not just post the static content. Always upload the images in the form of reels. You can also use AI for that. You can also use carousels, which are getting very popular these days. So carousel posts to show multiple products at once. The goal here is to make your page look like a brand and not just any random uploads. Now, in order to leverage the Instagram, you can simply use the Reels option. You can create fun and engaging videos showcasing your designs. You can use music to increase the visibility. And the best part is that you can use Canva for that too. If you come here on Canva and click on the option of home, you can click on the option of videos. Then you can select whether it is an Instagram reel. You can add your designs over here and download it in the form of reels. So it is super easy for you to create these and upload on your Instagram account. Now, when you are uploading your videos on Instagram, you need to make sure that you use the trending hashtags. So since we are doing for t-shirts, you can just simply come here on the search bar and search for hashtag t-shirt designs. As you can see, you can just click on that hashtag and see how many reach people are getting from those designs. You can also just check out the description, and you can also download and get some of the best hashtags for your account. You can also collaborate with other micro influencers. Even the creators with just a few thousands of followers can help you reach the buyers in your niche. So you can offer them like free merch in exchange for a post. You can consider running small Instagram advertisements to promote your best selling designs. So start with the low budget and then you can target people interested in your own niche. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.